Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. Take what you take and go do it, though. To subscribe, it's free. No people never know, I think they gonna cost some money. No, when you subscribe, it's free. So do subscribe. Watch a movie here.
So, how is single life?
Girl, you really have the audacity to ask me how single life after you met me and my man left. Eh? You really ask me that?
If I never me, you would find out a little dirty dog and give your bun.
That's my load for carry. My problem for carry. You never have to make me any boy left. I did love a boy now. No, look for me now. Alone, I want one man. Every night, me in my bed and me alone. And me pillow them. Me don't like your style, man. You love people business too much. I'm tired to tell you that with you.
Me love people business, but yet you come at me and sit down and listen to people business, no? You know the same thing like me? The same thing like me?
Same thing like you, that are people business, but leave my business alone. So you see, next time I get one man, all when you see him out the road with one woman, not tell me, mind your business.
Alright, mom. But anyway, you know hear about Susie?
What about Susie, girl?
They say the man catch him over there with man in her bed over there, girl.
Girl, top 10 lie. Good up, Susie will go like she not have no other man. You have to stop spread propaganda upon people, you know. Stop it.
I no lie me, I tell him and I'll put him out. Shooting close them.
Tell me sus, girl. Tell me sus.
Man, shooting close them on the road in a rain.
Hey! So
Yes.
wait there. So the man when she give the man born with, no put him up.
That the man didn't want her, he just want the fun, he don't want her.
You see you? Then go beat you one day.
But, the man don't want her, girl.
How you know say man don't want her?
If the man did want her, he no come, he no put her up. Me say, don't have mother ain't gone. Right now.
Hot girl Susie? Eh?
Who's he?
No, sir, this I get serious.
Yes, girl. And you know, yes, girl. Me I go look for the technician man for him come fix me speaker, my TV. Me call him this evening, you know, but I'll know he can't reach. But me so come.
So you really left me in your house by myself?
Girl, I no far me I go.
Hurry up. I'm going to mind people business there now.
Good night. Tiana.
Tiana not there, you know.
Oh, good night.
Good night. Who you be?
Well, I'm Mr. Fix It. She tell me said something there for me fix from Evelyn. So I come for deal it quick and fast. You know, so I have to walk me told her down the road when they I play to Jaff. But this
are you?
Where remote there? Because I think of the remote of the problem. I said to me about my head. But the remote. Do you see the remote?
Oh, you know, so she gotta look for you over your yard. See your remote over there, so.
Ready? Oh. Yeah, man, I have a same problem over my yard over there with mine, right? I want to look at chick. You know?
But
I want to look at thing right there, so them. Not them money. I don't eat. That must do a trick. Just when you know your thing, cause guess what? This is some little simple thing they don't charge your arm and leg for. See it work, it'll go up and now. All the thing, finally move on and watch, cause but you can't see it. Look on it, you can't see it go up and down.
Oh yeah, me see it.
Me now go back to my yard right now, you know, so she go over. When she come back, I tell her I my pass through, I fix it already. I'm gone on the road. At first, me I see you though, you know. Your face look familiar though. You know? You remind me of a girl that I see your face whenever I look at you. Wouldn't believe all up. Actually, remind me of one of my ex though, so she big like you. You know? But anyway.
So Mr. Fix It, you have a nice voice though. You single?
Well, it depends on who is asking. If I like you, I'm single. But I like you still. I'm single for you. But not for enough people love me, you know. But man, everybody cup of tea. After what my ex-woman do to me, I not too trust woman, but maybe I can trust you because it has been a while now. Because for my daughter was looking so, I have to push her away from me and make she go live elsewhere because what she do wasn't so sensible. But one time in a relationship we talk about that if we get to a relationship. We talk about me don't want to go into details and waste time. But anyway, what's the name again? I don't get a name though.
You know, so my name Tia though, so like how you like me and me like you can't give me a number.
Well, come put in your phone. But I don't like that people place too much, you know. My friend here,
Hear what?
but I don't come up in our house too much.
Hear what, my phone dead, so take my number. Smell and drop.
I fall in love with me so quick. When I say something magnetious. Huh? You just a fall for me so. You just a call for me so. You just a bad for me
Hear
so.
one, I just take my number and if you use it, you know.
No, me use it, man. Me use it before me lose it. Alright?
You have strong arms though.
You have nice mouth too, and pretty eyes. You look like you want to break me heart, you know. Don't run for me, you know. Because if you promise I something and I give I come fit and take it. So no say you me and you go, I go call you, and so I go on. Me no want you play with me though, because woman nowadays love ramp with man heart. Broke their heart, give them blue bottle. And run off and one bag of chicory.
No, so you're not getting none of that from me, but me tell Tiana say you pass by.
Yeah, man. So, it was nice meeting you though.
It was nice meeting you.
It looked like at the right time I come up here. You have a strong hold though. Yeah.
Very strong.
Yeah. You grip me on though. Are you name Gripisha?
Alright, Mr. Fix It.
Burn it down.
Tia! Yeah, I like you let me out.
Girl, after you go and left the door open. You go and left the door open.
Oh, I think I like you let me out of my own place.
So now let me lock you out.
Me go over there, me not see me now.
Where you say you go over Mr. Fix It? I don't see him.
So you know say I have to sign him.
Girl, he come over here and pass by and he fix the room.
Oh, come in there wonder which part he got, you know.
But another tell one, I think I like him. I not go bother single again.
You just see a man and like him.
So what's wrong with that?
We're not really over here talk about. That's how I do the lock.
No, girl. I when he go out, I lock the door because, you understand?
So you say you like him?
Yeah, I like Kuku Rasta man, yes. What do you think about it?
Hello.
I think I like him, girl. What you think about him?
Well, good man, but me tell you, he have one big daughter. And that the little people did have no manners, no respect for nobody at all. Me tell you for now. So if you plan to be a stepmother, I hope you're strong enough. Hope your heart strong.
No, man, that's at least not as long as he don't want no pitney, because I guess me don't want no pitney for come mash up my body. Pitney mash up body, the way me hear people talk about pitney.
You see pitney way over there? It's worse than cancer.
Then so she terrible? Well, me know if to deal with her.
Well,
me know if to deal with
I
her.
can't tell you who you have to deal with still, but good luck.
I like him, Mr. Fix It.
My name alone, you like.
No, but just like the concept of it, you know? And anyway, him just charming and just... But anyways, me I come get my yard, because you have me over here all along and wait for you. As far Mr. Fix It live.
Later.
Me and we chat, girl.
Come on.
Yeah.
I know say you asleep, but you can't hear me. I have to go up on the work here now. Somebody check me about one because I'm going to look on it and pricey. Look like, you know, make it something and turn on the pipe, make it drain out, you know. I have to call the water truck to come deal with this. So anyway, I go up on the work here now. By tomorrow, I try to get it full. Look like it's way down at the bottom. Alright, later. Look about something for your dad. I don't say your daughter, I can't say your stepdaughter, but your daughter. I forgot to work. Yeah, man. Me can't, see me at work, so me at work. You call this man come in and I'm there already, you know. I just borrow one car bar for one of my nigga then I'm ready to tear down the place. So yo, come in, me ready to do me, I don't know, man. We don't have time for waste, you know. Like, yo, I don't want people to work and then I be a fool in this, you know, depend. Yo, I used to take care right now, man. I work at Jamaica. Stop the cook. What going on, officer?
Everything good.
Yeah, man, they are going to hold it off, you know.
I want to know still. The thing them can check about what they about the goat teeth. I want to know if you know hear about
No, you know, so I tell you already, you know. Say, we have the number. So if anybody can try sell we no goat, I see us like how the cock crow, we're going to make you know what. Go on.
Because yesterday one woman lose her 2 rammy. Lose 2 ram goat.
Yeah, but when a woman lose rammy, you know, most of the man them now nyami rammy, they not sell the rammy, you know, them a nyami rammy. They understand, so not like so them a sell it, them a nyami. So right now, what we have to set up on Chapman, tell the farmers them to put up camera. They have some cheap camera hook on their phone, any move the rammy make, they can know. And if everybody have camera, the camera can lead to anywhere they start from. You understand? But anything I go on, we have a number, man. Right. That's what me I try mash up. And just like how you check for people teeth and things. Anyway, you see people say they want to work for though. Because see ya, I a trade man. Right? And me and my daughter to take care of. Plus me have my new woman. Right? Yeah. And expensive. So I look work. So any work I go on. So one hand wash the other. So anything me here, yeah. Alright?
Yeah.
What do you is that phone and shut up?
Then, Tiana, how you tell me say a 2 piece of clothes alone you wash? Hello, you don't have much. Let me tell you something. Remember say, at the man yard me there, you want done the man tank water?
Yeah. I don't done in water.
Tiana, you can't do this. You tell me say you wash.
One time me a rinse the clothes them. Me not done in water.
Me say you don't have nothing about you, no little brought up. See, you tell me, you call me. You say, Tia, no water in the yard. I want to wash out 2 pieces of clothes. Eh? 2 pieces of clothes. You tell me, say you want to wash out.
If this done, you can't fully back.
You don't understand. Hide and give you a chance to wash out some clothes, you know. Jesus, Savior, man. Hurry up, man, because all in daughter in the sauce sleep and I don't want she wake up and see they wash it. You get me in a problem in a Tiana.
Little water. What happened now?
You take too long, man. You want me help you?
Yeah, help me.
But
I would be glad for your help.
where I start first? Because I one bar there, so.
The one that me I start first.
What, this?
Yes.
So when you wash your way, I put it close first.
You already been born it.
I will just put it back in my block, my girl.
Yeah, put them back in our bag.
How many clothes them dusty door?
Morning.
Morning. She gone for the road with her father.
So Jada never tell me say my life yard. So me should come over here for. Oh look for you.
What up for you, Jada?
Yellow bird.
I don't understand Patakos Kekel. Shh. You just love chat. You can chat, sir. Or you can go on your yard, man. Hello, you're fool. Me no want Jada wake up and come see her wash.
Oh, look a pissy tail, all mattress girl. I want you. I want you. Can't rest a little front. You don't have daddy already. The one little man me have, you want come take him. Daddy not good enough for you. I want. Come talk up the things. Come here, see I take me man. What happened? I saw my man body good for you. Don't go on. Me they talk right to somebody. Don't go like you don't know what go on. Don't come go like you don't know what they go on.
I beat you come to beat me?
If I saw the case.
I beat you come to beat me. If your friend did stay good, your man would have stay in there. Why your man have to come look at your stepmother? What is your problem? That means something going on wrong down there.
Yeah, all you know so my friend no good.
Okay, that means your man do a chat too much. Cause if he never come chat, me would know. And if he did that good, why him not stay with you? Why not with your stepmother? Remember me older than you. Remember me all and tougher than you.
Man, I'm spitting on my face. Man,
that no one do because you come
spitting on my face.
That no one do. What you mean? What you mean I come talk about all you could this and look here.
Not one that daddy know.
The all of the moon and the bright and shine.
Not one that if my father know.
Wait, what?
So
where you want to go?
Wait, the daddy not good for you. He not good enough for you.
Oh, your father body tired.
What you mean?
Because
wait there. You done with them things alone.
Oh, your father
things alone.
Your father not nothing again. He run down.
Oh, hey.
Right
you
now.
Make him run down. You make him run down and the one command me have things.
I tell.
Take him.
Me done here for a long time. Say the girl them when I go to in the bar out the road, right out across road there so he out there fling out money for girl. So what goes around come back around. Me there with your man. I know nothing that.
My father.
Then
my
you
father,
have other man with your man.
Wait, my father spend money for a girl?
Okay, you not hear about
my daddy.
Why you think the partner money where you did forget some out and don't give you?
No, my daddy at all.
Oh.
No man, me think that you get the money. My daddy nah do that. My daddy nah do that.
At 2 jars me meet your father with. And right now it's 1.5 jars me having Kevin by the one. You see, if me never go chat to your man, when they say he no want you no more and they tell you all kind of things, you know they pan pillar on you in an idiot. Wrong talk.
Hello, keep your mouth. You better not say nothing. You better you don't say nothing. He might have rub out my front, but hey, my front good. Your body does all and tired. I got happened. Your body does all and tired. My man nah go. Hello, me not think my man. You go woman with look at your own and look. Your own and tan.
Guess what? I'm not gonna argue with you. Cause you see my body way old and tired. Your young man love it. And look how you're young and look nice and sexy and soft and strong and you rest. You're well relaxed and your man still a come there with me. I mean I look him and him look me. You know you want me just say?
No, what you just say?
How are you gonna do with that? Oh! Girl! You really take his spear and lick me. You take a shovel and lick me.
You're not gonna get to talk about my father and get with it. Especially take my man. You're not gonna go so. So if a police want to call, you call them. Because I have proof too.
Alright. Don't think you win. Don't think you win.
Hurry up and pick up your phone, man. Hello. Don't come sweetie me. Don't come sweetie me. You feel me not hear what going on? Wait me. Hello, me I talk with you and my stepmother. Don't bother come do it. You feel me? Them like a pissy tail girl when you know nothing. You see all you? Where I talk about? Actually, you don't even know. You see, same thing when me do her. I might do you. You know what? Even worse. Just don't make me buck you, you know? Don't make me buck you. I understand what you mean. I can't understand what they're money.
Babe. Fire.
Phone down.
Your phone a ring.
Hello, yeah, what going? I'm a woman. Let's answer the phone, how what? You mean if you tell me say she just come there for 2 days, 3 days and you call asking for money? Oh, me I take care of years and me never call and ask for $1 yet. You live up a yard with who? Who up a yard with him? Yo, me not trust nobody with my daughter, you know. Well, come me give you one change. And I take it as a habit. You say you want to pick the start to come link your hour. I feel in the bag you look. She's so old school and start working now. So if she want to take care, but me no want your things say you go use or call her out every time and then when she come there you come check me for money. And next time I ask her who answer the phone. You mean if you ask me who they on my phone? No my phone. Next time you just ask him if you want to talk to me. Yeah. Alright? But you can't take this nagging and nagging. Yeah what? Alright man, alright, forward. Alright. Baby mother she. My daughter doesn't upload us up for summer holiday. Right? And as she go up there, you see her go on. She a call ask for money.
So me ask you something. When you do bank transfer and then something, then she have to come here if collect money from you?
Well, bank transfer, I wish I transfer, it doesn't matter. But listen to me, I don't know big money I give her. So me now have my online banking up to date right now. So I must give my little change because my daughter say I can buy food for she eat, yeah? Because I don't trust her in them type of style. What you do? You cook or anything?
But I'm not even know if I cook, but I see why they can't look both.
I have a pack of oats in there and a last cup. If you don't make it, I go just use it and just throw it in some cold water and just stir it on and drink some when I feel hungry. Apart from that, I go up on the road and get some Isla loaf and some things that anything you want to eat, just tell me buy make a cook it. Alright? But then when I say all the meditation because there are some things I go through and I have to pray and go in it. You understand? So run all the meditation. If nobody call again, do not answer the phone. Unless it's a foreign call, panic. You know foreign number?
Yeah,
it's not
man.
876, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hello? Thank God that you answer the phone. You made it want, you know. You can come up on my yard, please. You know, say I'm a stepdaughter. You know, an argument like a while. Yes, she said me a day with her man. So she take up his spade and give me one lick on my hand and my hand break. Me just come from the hospital. But she feels that everything alright. But true, she don't know me because she don't really grow with me, you know. Me and her father, they go sometimes she come around me. She feels say she can lick me on my hand and broke it and get away. Right now, my hand in a pain. At the best, me I try put out like nothing happen. Me I feel pure pain in my hand. But you know why it not so hurt? The doctor give me one injection and give me 2 pain pills. So I not too feel but it hurt. You know it just something. I ask if I can come over here. Yeah, I go to doctor already. A doctor me I come from. Then give me one medical report. That's why I call you. I know I said I have to give police that.
Evening.
Evening.
So I'm text along. So we say the issue is now.
This may I tell about my stepdaughter though. I just tell her already.
So like where the medical, the something.
Medical report. May I have the man? Here. Doctor did give me.
Come here, read it now. Okay.
Anyway, I did have something in there. I make it drop out. Just not make it stay.
Me check you when I'm going to session. I say me plan this. So we always have to actually again because one thing she not go to hospital for because we always have to kill her.
She said me I take her man.
So did you take your stepdaughter man?
Her man can't take me. I not take people man.
Question more asked you. How old is the man? How old him be?
A big man fear. But I saw them young girl that can love take big man where they can't manage. Cause if she did good like that, all when she younger than me and me older than her, where her man can look me? Why? Why her man would have want come there with me and there with she? She lucky. The man look me.
2 wrongs don't make 1 right, but you're wrong, you know.
What me wrong for though? Take people man? What you mean? Me never go take her man.
Yes, your stepdaughter. You should never sleep with a stepdaughter man in the first place.
So she having her head say me take fear man. Her man no know say he if he come there with me. So her man never know say she is my stepdaughter. And him never fi come look me.
Anyways, as I said before, you're wrong and she wrong. 2 wrongs don't make 1 right. So, we want to know, fear man, where your man, because a long time I see him.
In Ghana foreign, and next time don't tell me about 2 wrong can make 1 right. What you mean? None of we not there for just one somebody, we come for share.
Anyways, I work with them really come here for me bag and debating thing. I just come here to find out what is the problem and see if I have to lock up somebody or if I have to lock up nobody. I wish your man could have stay far and hear where you there so I talk about sharing.
You chat about wish. And that you come for the fast in my business. True, you and my man a friend, and a bridging for a long time. I bet say for when you may there with you wouldn't say that. I bet. Because uno policeman love keep more than 1 girl. You better me never call you. Go on each party they go. True, you and my man a friend, let me call you, you know.
Anyways, I have to go lock up your daughter because she assaulted all the way 2 around. So, you know...
You go lock up my stepdaughter.
You know, I'm like cash in a broken hand and gone if you.
You can't charge her, make she pay some money or
Alright,
something.
so I see me can book her up on the road. Take it easy, yeah? Go ahead, go through.
But just in case you reach this point and never do what them say for do what them say for do. But never do again.
Like, share, comment,
And subscribe.
remember to tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah, man. So as we go along, we're doing our best to develop the movie industry in Jamaica because I see where the need is necessary.
Babe! Fire! One friend called.
Hello. Hello? Yeah, for real, family. Yeah, me do all the meditation a while ago, you know. I don't wonder how Unno get back to me yet. Everything got through. Yeah, man, good news. When me da fly out, though? Yeah, man, that's enough time, and I can get to settle all of my affairs them when I have. And all my priority. Can set them straight. Yeah, man, a good time in that, man. I know some good news will come today, you know. Give thanks, man. No say a word, man. No respect. All the time, man. Body down to the ground, man. Take what you take and go do it, though. We are going to do work, man. Don't worry yourself. Shall we? Alright. They call me a wait pan. That's some work we do a foreign. You understand?
Let me ask you one question. What kind of affairs you have to sort out? What do you mean by affair?
When it's affair, I mean like having an affair, like cheating, you know. I mean all the things that I have to take care of. So like your business you have to fix, I have to ensure I give you one extra fixing. Couple nights straight. That means say you don't need none till I come back down. Right? That is the whole affairs I have to deal with. Your business. Sort you out properly. Alright? Because when I go on places, my ex-woman in a bringing man pan herself. Bag of things go on. That's why she become the ex. So me ensure anytime I go for again, me I fix your business properly. That mean you don't have a need for that. Alright? So you go and then me have to look at things I have to deal with for my daughter and look at things I have to take care of like in school, things or anything. I'm not saying go back to school. You understand? I have to turn up all of the things them. So you can go back to school comfortable. You understand? Because some holiday soon up. You understand?
I understand. Yes.
Yeah, man. So I just them call affairs and get my things them straight priority. Well, you know, the bills them want clear off the bills them because I want contract I go up on. 6 month contract will some construction work and thing, you know what I mean? Whole heap of work all over the place. So we want ensure say a chair we go who know the work. So them have to look for them thing, me have to do my thing. Alright?
Alright.
Soon come inside. Give thanks and praise to him. Yeah, man. Lord, it's the most I give thanks a lot. I thank you for sending the blessing of our Father, you know.
Oh God, my sister, you good? Yeah man, my good man. I'm good like gold right now. You know, so I call me a call you to tell you so my man will fly out. Girl, I don't lie, me I tell me so my man will fly out. So all the mouth I wanna have for me, but me take up this man with big old pitney and this and that. Eh.
So thank you, our Father, for everything, you know. All you know. You know what I mean? Nobody bigger than God. You're the biggest one. You run the world. Amen.
Right now, I don't mind you run off, you know. I don't mind you run off and file for me right now. Girl, me say a better opportunity right now. I should even know me happy. Me happy like I should even know. You know, Pitney we happy for Christmas. I saw me happy right now.
Huh?
Lisa, come over here, come look for your police. Come ask me about you.
Police look for me?
Yeah.
Wait there. So where mother tell them say?
Mommy tell them say you don't know.
I must she talk, you know? I must she talk. Alright, come on. Wait there, come here. You know what? Go over there. Later, I come back and I bring one sweetie for you. Don't tell nobody see you see me here. Here? Yeah. Alright.
Yeah. I'm happy for you now.
Happy for me to have a week. Because this is one good something, you know?
So you say about 6 months you spend over there?
Yeah, about that. Hopefully extend and give me one something there 8 months to a year. That means that actually we get some real money. That means we can do some real things. You understand what I mean? Because you must have some other things you want to get, right?
Yeah, I'm going to start one business too.
So that's it. So we can send the money come and start the business over there. What kind of business you want to do?
I don't know yet. I don't think about it yet.
Alright, well, no rush. Because money not start make yet. As we touch about the money start. Something there. You understand? I look at money save up. I'm going to use it and fix all of my affairs. Then. You understand? Thank you for staying with me, you know. Because I know enough of them I tell us if you cut. Long time.
So, what wrong with you?
I want to start fix a business now. Good day.
Good day, I can talk to you.
No, you don't talk to me on the phone a while ago. Money you say you want.
Yes.
Babe, go for one little change. You get a girl that for me, please.
What kind of little change?
No, if you take when I talk about what kind of change, woman, as she control my money, you know. I'm a woman control my money.
Not my problem.
Alright, so give her one look of money there. If my girl can get some food to eat. Enough you eat, you know. I don't know if I buy one thing, tell her give her.
Where's she going over her friend? But I go over before mommy knows I left out of here. Because mommy gonna beat me.
Alright then, me still okay, sweetie, you hear?
Yeah!
Good day. Hello?
Hello.
You know some here say she in that area?
Which part?
Little girl in the same area where me live. She not gone nowhere.
Alright.
The girl just tell me say she see her like she go over one of her friend.
Alright. My girl. Fast one. Come out, you're under arrest.
What?
For assault your stepmother, come out.
She tell her what she do?
Nobody know when I'm shoot you know. Listen to me. She take your money, yes. But you're under arrest, come. You know like me I down. Don't do this. You're under arrest.
You trying to let me go, you know?
More.
You trying to don't let me go.
Alright.
Yes, I would that then. Big old tough. Man, after she can't take my man and then.
Hey, no, man. I realize say I will now. Go on. Go so. Me shoot you, no girl. Go on, you're so stubborn. Alright. Walk up now. Come and see me, I make a call. Me see who. Alright. Don't call me name.
Hello? You find her?
Yeah. Which way? Yeah, there yard. Me catch her in our hole. Yes, man, me find her. As we speak now, I'm on my way down to the station. So more for me down to the station as soon as possible.
So me have to go come down to the station and me hand her hurt me body, you know?
More you come down to the station to identify her.
Alright, me I come.
Alright.
I want to tell you, you matter. You can't make your conscience in your
I must you shit
No, I do myself. Yes, I know my girl, I know one attack. I know one attack.
No, no, me attack.
I give inside you attack. Me don't know all the act for yourself.
It's a big back girl, who you attack to?
You me attack, you see me stomach and spoil me appetite.
Me sick, your stomach, get a Andrews.
Yeah.
Get a Andrews, mama. You come. Attitude for me, man.
Which man? I could do that the man there where all my pitney tell me say you over here deal with her. True me no want to lick you in your face. Yeah, true.
No, see my face no. Lick me.
True time.
Lick me big
now.
back, girl.
My back bigger than that. Touch me now. Touch me there.
Babe, where you get the girl from? Remember say your ex stay in your lane, girl. And that me I tell you. As an ex, you must stay in your lane.
I'm example of what me now pick up in my life again.
Go on.
You're pissy table, man.
Go on.
And I come like one. Oi, officer. Hello.
Tapping eyes running a man.
Me need a phone call.
We
know my rights. And me need my phone call. One phone call me need to get. So me can know. Me people don't know what is what, man. Hurry up, man. Yeah, take my phone too.
When you talk about phone call, that's all in a movie, mama. You understand? In a real life, you know no rights. And you don't forget no, you not get no phone call. Stepmother come down here, when she come down here, we squash out everything. So just me I be judge. So Me see what? She so come on, she depend on her.
How long me I go wait for? How long?
Where are
Cause
we
me not
from?
deserve this.
Where are we
Me not
from?
deserve this. How long me I wait to stay in there so?
Oh, you want to know how long she had to come so she can go so you can
That
get
no matter with
rest.
me. How long me that stay in here so that me ask you.
As long as you plead guilty. So you are standing there. No worry yourself, your stepmother come. When she come, me and her come back. It's a serious issue. You understand? When she take your man, she come report it to you, say she stole your goods. Because she can get like of stealing, you know. If you never know. So she come to you, your gang and liquor, you know, say a big trouble, you know.
Come down there, say you know, and tell. Not even tell if me come down there and sing down the ear say my stepmama take my man. Me go get no note of that. Be honest, me go get no note of that.
Between me and me, no know, but you something would come out of it, but me would laugh because we have conversation with the person, you have a stepmother take a man. Miss well last time, man. You have a visitor here.
And this said you don't want to eat your forget. And you same one then catch and you didn't catch. You're the right somebody. And you break me hand so me take your man.
I should have two of them me broke.
You don't deserve that them man there. And you don't have no ambition and broke people. Look what you do. Broke somebody hand. You broke people hand for one man. Look how much man there. Look how much.
What sweet you? Go sour you. You see our daddy? Make me ever get that one phone call. He might know what you the out here do. After they take your money, hello, listen. No money now send back down here for you, you know. One blink your eye them.
Oi. I want to know if a for your man or for my man. Remember say your pa. And you can come in a full relationship. Every money have to come straight to me. I mean you come straight to me. You mean you have to go come out of our house and my house. You figure to me your house. Go and about your business.
Hello. I want to understand, so this is not the mortuary, this is not family matters. Understand, this is a police station. Me just call it down here to verify that this is your stepdaughter that broke your hand because you take her man. So you get locked up and you go home.
So me get to there, you not release me?
No.
Go on, go sleep.
You're dry bread and salt with water.
Yes. Go on. Listen to me. If you don't go to court, you don't fix out anything now. That is not my job. My job, I have to go for you and bring you come here. So I bring you come here, I done feed you. So enjoy. If you want to, you call one of the officer them on the phone. But my job done. Enjoy your stay. Enjoy it while it lasts.
Morning. Good morning. I told them I leave, you know. Do not tell the neighbor them when I'm gone. Because them know so they go see and question you. Right? Nobody need to know me go, but me I tell you, because we are family, so we need to know what going. Me I go foreign. Go do some work, you know. So when me I beg you, please, sir, ensure say you and your stepmother get along.
You know say me and her can't get along for a morning.
But still, you no go try for the sake of me to ensure so you no deal with it on a level where me can turn over there and call it to her now. Alright. Because she go pick up money if you get the money, so if you and get along, or you go pick up the money if you get along. She go cook for you. You understand?
Me can't come with you.
No, I go work. And over there freezing cold. Alright. And you don't know you got already. Anyway, what you want from foreign now?
Just pack one barrel with some of food stuff.
Alright, for food alone, you want you alright, man, know yourself. Alright. Them say food cheap or foreign. So $1, I'm going to $1 store them with $100.
Hey.
We can pick up 100 things.
Hello.
Huh?
Pack my barrel separate, you know, because me and her not sharing anything.
No, man, know yourself, man. We know what you want to eat. You want to look snacks them. Alright, so me get you look at chips and you look at this and you look at that and you look at this and you look at that. Alright. Don't worry yourself. Just one thing more you do, be yourself till I forward back. Alright?
Alright.
Alright.
Safe flight.
What wifey there? Wifey?
I'm not telling you.
Tell about come here first though. Anyway, I can't go drink none, but are you and my daughter go there, so I want to figure it out. I know so I no plan piece of line, but I want to find a way to communicate and just work together. Alright? Because at the end of the day, you take what you take and you go do it. Alright? So I have to go make this money. I don't want to no burn down your house and there. Because she now listen what you say. Find a way to communicate with her. Alright? So if I know you call her mother. Her mother contact her. Her mother is stepping her neck. So just call her mother if she has no attitude. Her mother don't pick up on your side. Her mother move on, so no like say me and her no again. Everything good. So just call her, so come check for your daughter if you make no problem, right? So maybe talk though.
So make your name just live her with her mother.
No, don't space no up there. And the stepfather did it. Me no like daughter left with stepfather so my time. You know, and every time we work out, you go put your hand on her and bag of things go on.
So no little hug, nothing? Just dry so?
Mama, what you get last night, you be wet. So what you want to hug for a man, you know?
Alright, go on.
You good though?
Me alright, man.
Come to you love for hug, man, because I know you love hug so. Alright, so, love you, you know where you go. Now worry yourself. Later you will tell me say you want money. Must send money come because I have to work for me to show you alright?
Morning. I'm glad how you come out. Your father tell you say I leave, right? Let me tell you this. You see me you go in the same house. Let me tell you what go on. You go work with me and me work with you. And you see the attitude that you have, me not gonna put up with it. You hear me tell you?
Okay, miss.
If you make my life a
Living hell, me go make your life a living hell. Alright.
Then what me would do to make your life a living hell, little girl? I think me your size? Me is no size. And the argument done right or so. See me I make it porridge, I finish now you can share out your one.
My life been a hell from you stay with my father.
Yeah.
Oi.
What go on?
Yeah, girl, a long time I see you. What on?
Me a call your phone and me not get it, so me say make me walk come over here and see what you deal with.
Girl, me left my phone in there so. And me just sit down and go and think about what the bad things and say. You want to sit down?
First more sit down. You can't never make me come in here and turn up.
You're lucky. Actually, me not want a good mood today, that me I tell you.
So what go on?
Nothing not going, girl. Me just there, so. Me just actually even know what going on in my life right now. So me just there going. So what going with you? Enough for me, you know. What going with you?
Me a go on good and you see me big and fat. Anytime I come over here, I can never see for your man. Where for your man there?
You always a come wrong time when he's not here. But for right now, he not there, you know. He fly out. Me didn't tell her. I think me did tell her, girl.
Yeah, you did tell me, but me did a think a joke because I did a laugh and something. You did tell me yes, but me never take it serious.
Mama, enough for you and enough for me. When? You know hear about him? When man put out a house. Dash out a scandal bag. Me not even know the scandal bag still exists, Mama.
She lucky at that she forget it no longer. I tell the girl feel like a little dirty boy.
I know that. I will she go like she better than people. I make my another share out a house.
But you know hear about the girl, the maga slim girl will live down there so.
Who that again?
What's she name again? Amelia.
Yes.
Every day man beat her. Every day me a pass me a game a ball in there. Be a beat him and I beat him down there. And look what idiot can find that man ass down there.
Me Rasta man and me there we kind of beat and but a bruise me.
Oh, look how we big. Which man can beat we? Me say girl. You know see big people attack. Go sit down one side man. Enough of that then. Me say girl.
Good evening.
You know you about Popsy down there, so?
You just hear people them business. Listen.
You know what she do?
Shit, in the church, yeah. What make you come here with your banger? What make you see us, sir? Oh, you know people them business, Chama?
Hello, I am standing right here. I saw listen and chat people business at the time. Tia me
Come.
I'm
Said
not
you did
no
this
no
little
food,
picnic.
You see,
Seminar.
Tay, wait. You see, Tay, you don't have no manners. I love the attitude you're going to learn to cook. You understand what I say? You come. Me hungry with the attitude.
She don't see too big somebody attack.
Miss, me not talk to you, me talk to my stepmother. Alright?
You need some training.
I'm going this one, no food, no cook.
You need some training, little girl.
Wait.
Miss,
Yeah,
I'm here at far. Can I ask you a question? What do you do for a living?
Don't ask me no question, because me not take it same, man. So go and go learn to have manners and go take up your book.
Alright, enough Tiana. Jesus.
Me hungry. And by the way, miss, what you dey talk about? Obviously, the only thing you live on and the only living you have a fist down and mind people busy. But anyway, that's not my problem. See, I'm hungry. I need something like right now to eat.
Sure. Nick mad about you want to eat Italy, you take care of good fat. What going to go on before a man not send no money?
I cook, never cook.
Come no way you take up this man with this big grape and pick me off.
I don't understand where attitude for, but you know easy. A little pitney, you just argue with a little pitney. What can I say that?
Some of them go on like them a woman too much, man.
I'm going to put on the meat. That's some brown stew, chicken and rice. I'm going to cook.
Alright, me I go over later.
Yeah.
Oi! I'm tired. Jennifer, baby. What? Nothing. You over here make up bed though. You stepmother. No, she if you over here make up the bed.
She come out and gone for a morning. I mean, know which part she gone. She not even look born for breakfast for me eat.
What? At 12 o'clock no you know for morning? And that you try to tell me? What yourself? Your mother always got to wear around the way one.
What?
I'm gonna make some for you because nobody can tap me for me. Nah, for me. Yes, I did for me. And yes, I always gonna be for me. Jada, where's sugar there? We don't have sugar on the yard. Little girl, let me talk to. Sugar, come and give me. Come off in there if you don't have sugar here. You want some of my porridge? That sugar you pour. You for dance and rot and roach. So you can already have a give up.
Mom, you can't come down with him.
Yeah, I come down with my phone.
I like my stepmother.
I like her. I don't like her neither, so. But you're a little girl. A big woman that have money in store. Even though me don't like her. But me do it, no like it. She have money in store.
But she always, when she ready, she always talk to me certain way. And when she ready, she always talk to me certain way.
When time me see you pop off, I go talk to your father about it. Because me not let you over here if you no girl a cheat no way, understand? And I can't believe your father have woman over here chat to you like so. She ever breed before? She had no pitney?
So when she attack to you, Safa, wait till me see for your papa him. I'm gonna make you know, say. I'm not telling if we go take up girl for mistreat my pitney. Show him something. Just wait.
How I go on there, so?
You know see what I go on?
No one really know what
Somebody attack?
this big bad girl come on me yard. You live here?
I used to.
And my mother here talk to you know.
I used
Little
to.
girl, me not talk to you. Your
Oh, yo. You think me not hear you over here chat to me pitney? Me know why you raise a voice at her. You understand I'm father places and not fear places. And me can't come in and come out of this entire me like I'm used to live here. Remember me a baby mother. And like you I can't breathe. Oh.
Oh, so that's not chat. Me can't breathe. Okay.
Go walk at the door. You're not welcome anymore. Don't follow me here. Have manners.
Uno parents make fitness stay so. That me I'm telling you. Uno make fitness
You
stay
see, if
so.
I never in-cheat my daughter.
Babe. You know, so me come home off the road and come see your baby mother in the kitchen and cook.
And?
What you mean? Oh, come. So what if she in the kitchen the cook? She not used to live here too.
No, she can't do that. No.
Listen me come here and my daughter says she hungry. Plus me hungry too, so me I make something for she eat. Cause you have your workless woman over here, starve no woman. She get in the business my mom say no. Okay, biscuit. I want it.
Tiana look but Tiana never look but nothing give me this morning and my mother come over here and me tell her some hungry. My mother they look for something for me. Something is wrong with that?
Yes, she cannot come over there and go now for you.
I know that. Come and take me out.
Babe, me call her back. Because right now me not.
I got your permission. Call the police. You have one number, call him. Come on, call him. You live near that here. Call him because my authority get out of your house.
Alright, babe, me I'll call the police.
If
now.
mommy they come out, me they come out too.
Me don't know where you get this opinion when I have no
If mommy they come out, me they come out too.
You better you go on too.
No problem.
You better you go on too.
Oh, so woman you put over your pitney.
No, you have to know themselves.
You fi know yourself to your daughter. And you over here make girl entreat her. You know what? You see, if all me buck you, me beat you. You know me buck you. Watch me and you. What you see how you? Swatchy, cranky donkey. What happened? What happened? Fool in the shot chat.
Anyway, me there for try make some money. Here, just call the police on them. Just call, put up all my daughter too. If she not be able to put her on too.
If your pitney come out, your woman have to come out, else a problem in this year. Oh. No, you put woman over your pitney like where woman can't mind you. And your pitney a grow can take care of you. This big old wanga pig swine girl.
Patakos keckle.
And you fit grow the pitney better. And top take up people for inching me pitney over here. Watch a show. Excuse me for in front. Not.
Alright, B.
Call the police, yeah. I want to see which police body now. Come on. Oh, go on.
In my call my father, I what kind of man I go take up a step boy you go breed for?
Me this fool, I was young and dumb.
Hello, good afternoon. Mr. Brown, Bob. This is Tia from Namprel Road. For your girlfriend, well, me have one little problem on me yard when I want you sort out for me, please. Because me there with my stepdaughter, right? My boyfriend gone overseas and leave me with my stepdaughter, but me did go on the road for one little short space of time, and by the time I come back, the little girl mother me sit in the kitchen and cook, and me ask her to leave and she won't leave. So I don't know if you can come over here and help me out, please. Yes, officer. Yes, officer. Okay. Alright. Thanks.
Look like a hungry man.
Mommy no say when you cook porridge, we say drop your finger in it, so me have to eat it off. So the lady around there, so she can't even cook for save her life. If sometimes I force me, I have to force her and yam it.
You're on the plate. Can't cook and warm, man.
Oi. You think me not hear you round there tell your mother about me? See the one there round there, so you have to force her to eat my food. You have to force her to eat my food, and when me cook you lick off your 10 finger them all and ask you more. You little hypocrite you. And your mama is same thing.
Don't worry about that. I say I force me, I have to force her near me. I never hold on my mouth and talk, miss. Matter of fact, I don't even have time to see you.
No worry yourself, me will cook for you again, yeah? Me will cook for you again. I'm ungrateful to me. Hey.
Mommy, you don't want to talk about the anytime you cook, give me again and go pines me.
Pines what? They come like she don't have no sense around this thing. Yeah, come there. Aye, pines the full picnic.
Big Bird, what's your problem?
Pines the full picnic.
Who did tell us?
My daughter just say, you say, when you cooking here again, you go poison. I know that poison, no? You ever breed before? You know how picnic come pan land? Eh? Can you breed?
It come like your picnic hot for me, no. Me name no white fowl, and that me notice with the two of no. What me ever done in a life for no torment me spirit? Eh?
Listen to me. You don't know what you do. You don't know what you do. You over here butter bruise, me pin you na inchi, me pin. Now you can't check me about poison. Girl, me kill you, yeah?
Police.
It's when you talk to me daughter.
Mommy, police they run us out, we have to stick up with gun boy.
This what police have to do with me. What your problem,
Yes.
sir?
Where you going, sir?
What your problem?
How call? Where she there? Fire, come in. Where say go on now? I intruder them here.
What intruder? I'm my father. Oh, man, what you doing at my father house this year? What
So why you pen gun in my daughter face?
I allow this. I wanna do.
Well, I have to do
Not
nothing.
pen gun in my face.
Where say where
Why you playing gun in my child face?
What for
Listen what me say.
Oh, yo, you lock chat yourself.
Listen, when I talk to you, anything you say or use or do can be used against you in the court of law.
put
Shut
my hand
up.
on my
Where say
face.
go on now?
Alright, so she live here, my stepdaughter.
Yeah.
This is our mother. Me come off the road, and when me come off the road, and me see in the kitchen and cook. She don't live here, none time she don't live here. You understand? A 5 year now, me and the man there, she and the man left.
Oh.
And she
So-
not supposed to be here,
Oh,
so
so you and the man left and
she and the
I say hello,
man.
man. I say,
Hello,
listen.
listen to
So-
me, me talk now. Hello, man, I talk to my mother. Listen to me talk that the lady left, gone about her business this man and she don't look about nothing give me for eat. And my mother have to come and look about something give
So
me.
you do
Talk
tell
to
them
me
that
nice.
Alright, yeah, you me can do it. You can best you go in separate ways. You understand? So, miss, you know,
She don't come ill-treat me. She treat me.
Listen to me. Why you not come over here, come ask her why she a check my daughter about she go pay my daughter?
Alright, yeah, one thing me come about, you know. Me come about trespassing. Me not come about who eat pies from who now go get pies.
How you getting that force?
Listen. Alright. When me get to understand say una trespass, so please who no belong here, me can please follow me go outside, please. Alright.
See trespass.
Listen, me I go no small few times to come outside with me, please. Before me arrest somebody, you know.
Me I go over here, you see later on me come for you. Just pack your bag, me I come for you. Here, cause me no know what this. Me no want to kill somebody.
Miss, alright. Here one now. She gone about her business. So here me I go want you do for me, miss. You see how we do it now? You have to come down by the station and come file a report. So anytime nothing like this happen, alright, you're gonna take out an arrest warrant against her. You understand? So me I go want you come down by the station. Me I go want you come down by the station and file a report so we can do. But if you don't file a report, Miss Annie come here next time, we can't do nothing about it.
I go come down at the station and say I go file a report against you, officer, because you're no good police. Come out of my house.
Look for yourself. Alright, listen to me now. You see anybody who don't live over here, so you don't need to come outside now and leave the premises now because I don't want to lock up one now and send them to jail now. Miss, if you don't belong in there, please come outside. If your daughter don't belong in there, please come outside.
Or yourself.
Miss, left the premises, please. Me
Not the police, boy.
Alright, hear me I say now.
Officer, hold on there.
Eh?
You said me to come with you, but I know if you drive. You drive?
Yeah, me did just...
Alright, that's good. So, me come with you then.
Oh, miss, and the next thing, that's when I call police in yard, whether I be man or woman, don't set to no baggy them good, please. Then there's not them big something they do me, I beg you. Then one of them nearly something me, I try me sweep and because of miss next time, please.
One for know what panty have to do with it. You come in a people yard and look where you go.
Alright, here now, here plan. We are, come here, son. Nobody knows what's up over here. Alright, here we are going to do now. I'm going to give you something for you put in her bag. We are set her up and then we call police and tell police say she have illegal substance or whatever over there, see me? So you see this here? No, you carry. Put in her bag. You don't need to know where it be. Just put in her bag. When you walk on the road, be careful how you walk. Understand? Just put in her bag and then you call police.
Alright.
Alright, go on. Call one of me, go in.
Alright, mommy.
Alright.
Mommy. Yeah, me just do it. I can't come do it now. Me put it in a she bag. In her handbag. So I'm brownish looking bag with some clothes in it. Alright, yeah. Alright. Yeah, your boy did my father.
Baby girl. Call him now. Hello? Yeah, officer. Yeah, me have a serious crime for No, me don't need to give you my name, officer. I don't need to give you my name. We just have a serious crime for report. There's this girl over by Firehouse, you know, Fire. Yeah, I heard that you and her and her stepdaughter mother have a little conflict the other day. She have illegal substance over there, like drugs. I think it's drugs or I think it's cocaine. I don't know which one. Yes, and it's very dangerous. Very dangerous. Serious something. Okay. But you want to know who called? You don't need to know who.
Thirsty. Whew. Oh. So little girl full of attitude though.
Can't believe me have to come back over this side again.
Thank you for loving me.
Don't move. Come off your bed. Come off your bed.
What me do?
Me hear you say you have illegal substance in your house. Where they?
Officer, what me do? You point up gun in my face, so me do.
Me say you have illegal substance in your house.
What me could I get illegal substance from? Oh, this officer, yeah, man.
No, that what this here.
How am I so?
How that reach in my bag?
You know much you know much here with the people for them here. Me say you know much here with the people for them here.
Like you, you know?
Officer, not my own.
Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law.
Officer, me don't know nothing about this.
Not for your house, you know. Silent.
You're a wicked woman.
Anything you say will be used against you in the court of law.
What you do?
What me do? What me if you do?
Miss. Alright. Go on.
Officer, I want to call me, man. Ah, how this sit now squeeze me hand. Officer, what did them man?
Miss, go on.
Let me call fire, please.
Come. You can call him down by the station. I no time for that. Go on. Call me and tell people say people make trouble with you. Alright, so you so go be your new home for a little while.
Officer, me entitled to even a phone call and I want a phone call for call.
Listen, first you call me over your yard. You tell me say, woman at this and woman that all have along you have bigger things in your apartment. How that?
Officer, it's not mine. I'm going to tell her say it's not mine.
Not your house. Listen to me. It's your house. I see when time is right, you get a phone call.
Me need a phone call now for call my man and tell him.
You don't get a phone call long time, but you resist the arrest. If anybody resist the arrest, when you come to arrest you take an arrest and you come here so. You resist the arrest. Later I'm saying one of the one of them come down here with a little porridge and piece of bread come give you. You alright? Back tight. Lights out in 5.
Hello, babe. What going? You know, say me lock up a jail door. Me not do nothing, you know. Nothing me not do. Me just dey home, dey watch one show and me only thing me can remember, me come for something, for drink, go back in the bed, and by the time me look at police, me see come in. That's how you see them police people them babble. Come in with gun, they point off of me and they say, they hear so me have some substance a yard and one bag of foolishness. Search up a place and search my bag when me look. A coke in my bag. Me don't know where it come from, like seriously.
That's serious, man.
If it,
I understand that.
me not understand what go on either, you know. Cause I know me.
We not get to come before that God. Hear about this man come down and tell the second half of the call, do you know? But when they are around for call, the call message, but they not giving no good response. I gonna get a lawyer sent for you by next week, yeah?
So me have to go stay in here by next week.
Then now I'm gonna let you when you catch it. That's a serious offense, you know, man. So right now, them a say our mother are gonna come stay over yard with her. I don't understand it though. I don't know for them plan it though. But anyway, I'm gonna get a lawyer up on the case. Don't worry yourself.
Alright.
Alright, babe. It has been a long road, you know what I mean? And we're there still I go and do it same way, you know what I mean? We're not no choice, you know what I mean? Jamaica is paradise, but do people from Jamaica really get to see it? No, I don't think so. They get to see the paradise that we live in because of the suffering and the killing. And I'm not kidding, you know what I mean? You know it's real. It's not everybody will get killed in Jamaica, reported in the first place, the amount of people die here. So, we're there to try to fight a war, and you have some people who have nothing good to say, but them have the most to say. And they're not doing anything to help make a difference. What we're doing, we're definitely not even trying, we're making a difference. You know what I mean? But in every one of the things them work out, it have to have some money with that pump into it. That's why when I want to ask a donation, you know what I mean? If them really use it to what them say them want if you do, it's a good look forward. Because I'm going to tell us something now. The leaders of this country beg money on our behalf to do what they want to do. Right? So if we're doing an industry part, a start from zero, you know, become tell you one thing, man. The first thing them tell you at school is work hard. You know what I mean? And everything will come true. And I've been working hard. I don't see nothing come true really. You know what I mean? So, but we still work hard because that apart, they have to tell me that still, because that's in my DNA if you work hard to achieve things. So, but still, the thing needs to go one place. And it now move without money. You can't move without money. And maybe we have to wait upon the people them who understand life and know where we're going to come actually do it. And then a bag of people go say this and say that. But anyway, do the right thing still. I don't know how much you say really. I'm disappointed, yes. Someone will talk enough. I'm disappointed. I couldn't know that from early out. And the most side go take us through. You know what I mean? So the one them who have well wish for the thing go forward, enough respect, straight through. You know what I mean? Because even if you don't have dollar to give and you give a positive push, it still helps in the process. You know what I mean? But who have and sit aside and criticize and make a bag of nice, everything good, man. Time and time, you know what I mean? So, we know we'll get there, you know. But it's a matter of when. You know what I mean? So, we are going to do the work. We are going to do the thing. Love all the things in the pipeline, we don't to talk about it. But we have eyes, we'll see. And we have ears, we'll hear. Till the next time still, we talk again. Big up all of my producer them and sponsor from long time. We have no new one. Still looking for some new one. And the females them out there who want to be part of the movie business, you know what to do. Number up on the screen. Check in. You know what I mean? Because you take what you take and you go do what you do. Anyway, till next time, let's go.